Understanding this encourages us to act with wisdom and compassion, knowing that our choices matter. Modern science has also begun to validate the power of meditation. Studies show that mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and even rewire the brain for happiness. Neuroscientists have discovered that long-term meditation practitioners exhibit changes in brain structure, leading to increased emotional regulation, heightened self-awareness, and even greater levels of compassion. But thousands of years ago, the Buddha already taught that a calm and focused mind leads to insight and freedom from suffering. This practice, known as vipassana meditation, involves deep observation of the mind and body, much like a scientist carefully studies natural phenomena to understand deeper truths. Quantum physics further offers an intriguing connection to Buddhist philosophy. The idea that particles exist in multiple states until observed resonates with the Buddhist teaching that reality is shaped by perception. The concept of emptiness, shunyata, in Buddhism suggests that all things lack inherent existence and are interdependent, much like how quantum mechanics reveals that particles do not have a fixed state until they interact with an observer or environment. This challenges our traditional understanding of reality and aligns with Buddhist notions of interconnectedness and the illusion of a fixed self. Furthermore, the human quest to understand consciousness brings science and Buddhism even closer. While science seeks to unravel the mysteries of the brain, Buddhism offers deep insights into the mind's nature through meditation and introspection. The two approaches complement each other. Scientific advancements in neuroscience provide tangible evidence of how meditation changes the brain, while Buddhist philosophy offers wisdom on how to cultivate inner peace and self-awareness. Ultimately, both science and Buddhism invite us to seek truth through experience. The Buddha himself encouraged people not to blindly believe, but to test his teachings, just as a scientist tests a hypothesis. Science and Buddhism may use different methods, but both strive for a greater understanding of existence, guiding us toward knowledge, awareness, and inner peace. By combining the wisdom of Buddhism with the discoveries of science, we can navigate life with greater clarity, balance, and enlightenment. Through curiosity, observation, and self-awareness, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the world around us and the mind within us. May this journey of knowledge and wisdom guide us toward true enlightenment. In today's world, science and Buddhism may seem like two separate paths, one relying on experiments and logic, the other on inner wisdom and meditation. But if we look closely, we see that both are searching for the same thing, the truth. Science explores the external world, uncovering the mysteries of the universe, from the smallest particles to the vast galaxies. It relies on observation, questioning, and evidence. Buddhism, on the other hand, explores the internal world, seeking to understand the nature of the mind, suffering, and reality itself. It also encourages questioning, direct experience, and wisdom. The Buddha himself taught that one should not accept his teachings blindly, but rather test them against personal experience, just as a scientist tests a hypothesis through experimentation. One of the key connections between science and Buddhism is impermanence. Science shows us that everything in the universe is constantly changing, stars are born and die, cells regenerate, and even mountains erode over time. The theory of evolution also demonstrates this principle, as species continuously adapt and change over millions of years. Buddhism teaches the same principle: everything is impermanent, including our thoughts, emotions, and even life itself. When we truly understand this, we become less attached to things and find peace within ourselves. By recognizing the impermanent nature of life, we can cultivate a sense of gratitude for the present moment rather than clinging to the past or worrying about the future. Another striking similarity is cause and effect. In science, every action has a reaction, every event has a cause. The laws of physics, chemistry, and biology all operate under this principle. Buddhism also teaches this principle through the law of karma. Our actions create effects, shaping our present and future. Just as scientific principles can predict outcomes based on causes, karma suggests that our past deeds influence our present reality and that our present actions shape our future experiences.